Hello guys, today I will be showing you some combos in My Hero Battlegrounds. This is a game on Roblox. Roblox is free, you just need to sign in, create an account. If you already have one, my name is cool_Mel88, no caps, as in no capitals. And so I'd really appreciate it if you press the like button and you share this with your friends to show them combos, and you could follow or subscribe, whichever one you're on, TikTok or YouTube. So I am going to try my best. That's what I'm doing, trying my best. My favorite character to use combos, because I'm not a huge combo guy, is personally Katsuki Bakugo / the Explosion Hero. He's a pretty good hero. These ones aren't out yet. They're private server commands. If you want a private server yourself, it's free. Just click onto the icon that looks like a player, and then with a plus button, not a plus button, a play button, and create private server. It'll say it's free. So yeah, this is a sponsor to the video, and I'm using screen recorder to make this video. If you guys want any other content like this, I can post some more. You just gotta tell me in the comments and I'll post some more stuff. This is the Christmas map, although Christmas is over. If I'm really yapping, just get off the channel, because I don't want haters. I love all my haters. So what I'm going to be showing is Explosion Combo, mixed with Round Cannon, and that causes a pretty good combo. And then my second one is Blast Butterfly. And then dash into it. Sorry, I missed, so I'm going to say that later. Oh god, I suck right now. Sorry about this. I'm not an expert, trust me. Some of you may be saying, but you're better than me. Trust me, I am not. If you ever want to 1v1 me or teach me some stuff, or you want to be taught, just add me as a friend, contact your username through the comments, and I might help you. So that's Explosion here. If you want to see any other characters, you can post, and out of this list you can show me which ones you want. Obviously not Winged Assassin, hugely the strongest, and the prototype. Those I can't do because they are not actually out yet, plus these are different things. So Human Arc, sorry I can't say that word. Fourth Fuel, I am so sorry guys. Full Throttle, Decaying Hatred, Explosion Hero, which I just did, Split Ice, Azure Flames, I'm not sure. Please correct me in the comments if I'm getting this wrong. Hero Slayer, Green Hero / also known as Overhaul, Ida, Shigaraki, Katsuki Bakugo, Shoto Todoroki, Toya Darby, oh sorry, not Toya Darby, Toya Todoroki, Stain, Deku, and yeah, more content. Post me, ask me in the comments, and that's pretty much the video. I'll post again later, but it was good seeing you guys, and my hitting the share button, follow, whatever, pressing the the like button, it really helps me. So, yeah, that would really help. Bye. I'll post again one day, but not right now.